breasties! Welcome to another episode of Pink Science, where we dive into some of the most fascinating, mind-boggling advancements in breast cancer research. Today, we're going to talk about a study that involves our furry friends, dogs. Believe it or not, a research study published in 2021 explored how dogs might help in detecting breast cancer. Now, we all know that dogs have an amazing sense of smell. I mean, these are the creatures that can sniff out a single cookie crumb under the sofa cushions. But can they really sniff out something as complex as cancer cells? Turns out, maybe they can. Researchers trained a female Labrador retriever for over a year to be able to detect urine specifically from breast cancer patients. Why urine, you ask? Well, cancer cells often release specific chemicals known as organic volatile compounds that could end up in bodily fluids like urine. 200 individuals were recruited for this study. 40 were diagnosed with primary breast cancer, 142 were patients with non-breast malignancies, and 18 were healthy individuals. The dog made 40 test runs in which 5 samples were presented. One of these samples belonged to one of the 40 breast cancer patients. The results demonstrated 100% specificity and sensitivity, as the dog was actually able to identify all 40 cancerous samples correctly. This concept of using dogs to sniff cancer is not entirely new. Initially, the hypothesis that dogs can smell a cancer odor was not supported by evidence, but later studies demonstrated that canine cancer detection is promising, feasible, and safe. Studies have reported that trained dogs could detect breast cancer using exhaled breath samples and even colorectal cancer using watery stool. It was found that various cancer types may share common sense, and each cancer type has a cancer-specific odor, which can be detected by our sweet, furry friends. Keep in mind that this research method is still in the experimental stages. However, it's advancements like this that continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in breast cancer detection. This experiment may provide a robust and inexpensive way to detect breast cancer. Dog cancer detection is non-invasive, safe, and easy for both patients and healthcare providers. It could have excellent prospects in low-income countries where widespread access to mammography is a hurdle. Imagine a future where routine cancer screening could be as non-invasive as a quick sniff test. So the next time you see a dog, you might want to give them an extra pet for not just being adorable, but also for their possible future role in medical science. Thank you, everyone, for tuning in. Hope to catch you next time with another episode of Pink Science.